More than 3 months ago, I built an indoor micro-landscape scene complete with a flowing waterfall. It was a start from scratch project, beginning with constructing a custom shallow glass tank, setting up a functional water flow system, and finally scaping and planting the entire setup. If you haven't seen the original build video, I'll leave the link in the description below. Do check it out to see how it all came together. It's been 15 weeks now, and I thought this would be a good time to give you a quick update on how the setup has evolved. I have mostly let it grow wild during this time. Apart from topping up the water every 2 to 3 days, I have done minimal intervention. In fact, I stopped misting the moss and plants after the second week, and I haven't used any fertilizers at all. The glass has some hard stains, mostly from water splashes off the rocks. This will need some cleaning with vinegar diluted in water. As you can see, the plants are doing quite well. The Pilia depressor has grown into long leggy strands, clearly exhibiting positive phototropism, reaching eagerly for the light. These wild trailing stems give the setup a lush, untamed jungle vibe. I have been tempted to trim them back, but honestly I love how natural they look, so I have let them be. Our hero plant, Alternanthera Calico, has also done impressively. It had shot up quite tall, and I have taken multiple cuttings from it to use in some of my other builds, which you might have noticed if you have been following my recent videos. The pruning has encouraged fresh branching, and as you can see, it's thriving and flaunting its vibrant colors under the grow light. Interestingly, a wild plant has appeared on its own. Google Lens suggests it might be a tropical rami, but I'm not entirely sure. If you happen to recognize it, I would really appreciate if you could help me out in the comments. The moss is doing well in most areas, staying green and fresh. The terrarium is proving effective in keeping everything consistently hydrated. However, in one corner, the moss seems to be struggling. I suspect it's due to a lack of light. That area is shaded by the dense Alternanthera foliage. It's definitely not a moisture issue. Now the only real challenge I'm facing at the moment is with the stream. Somewhere around the midpoint, the stream bed seems to have developed a leak. As a result, the water no longer flows along the full length of the bed. Technically, it's an easy fix. I could patch it up with lava rock dust and some super glue. But I have decided not to repair it. The reason is I have made the tough decision to dismantle this setup to make space for new projects. It's never easy taking apart something you have put so much love and effort into. But since I work with limited space, tearing down older builds is sometimes necessary to move forward creatively. On the upside, I do get to reuse a lot of the materials, many of which are hard to source or quite expensive. Someday, I hope to move into a bigger studio where I can preserve more of my builds long term. With your continued support and encouragement, that day might not be too far away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.